G'day my ghoulish foodies, Dale here, and today we're diving into delightfully macabre with a recipe that's as delicious as it is ghoulish. We're making my Zombie Smash Mint-splosion Cookies, a rich dark chocolate cookie with a cool mint cheesecake brain center and a messy gooey glaze. This is the perfect treat to get into the Halloween spirit. Let's get baking. These spooky treats are packed with a secret. A creamy mint cheesecake center that we'll call the zombie brains. We'll need these to be fully frozen so they hold their shape inside the cookie. This will give you that awesome smash effect when you break them open. To create our zombie brains, we're starting with a simple no-bake cheesecake. Beat softened cream cheese with powdered sugar until it's super smooth. Add a touch of mint extract for that cool, refreshing flavor, and a couple of drops of green food coloring to give it that vibrant, ghoulish hue. Once it's all mixed, we'll drop a teaspoon-sized mounds onto a tray and send them to the freezer for a full hour. Trust me, this step is crucial. Next up, the graveyard dirt cookie dough. This is a classic dark chocolate dough. Whisk together the dry ingredients first. Flour, dark cocoa, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Dark cocoa is the secret here. It gives us that rich, almost black color and a robust, bittersweet flavor that's not too sweet. In a separate bowl, cream the butter and both sugars until light and fluffy before adding your egg and vanilla. Finally, mix your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until just combined. Now for the fun part, bringing our zombies to life. Take a scoop of dough, flatten it into a disc, and place one of your frozen cheesecake brains right in the center. Carefully wrap the dough around it, pinching the seams to seal it completely. Roll it into a ball and place it on your baking sheet. They'll bake for about 13 to 15 minutes. We want them to look slightly underdone in the middle so they stay soft and gooey. Once our cookies are completely cooled, it's time for the final gruesome touches. Whisk together powdered sugar, a little milk, mint extract, and a few drops of green food coloring for our toxic ooze. The milk lets you control the thickness. You want a thick glaze, but one that's still pourable. Drizzle it roughly over the cookies, letting it drip down the sides for a messy, rustic look. Finish with a final drizzle of melted dark chocolate, and you have a creepy, delicious work of art. And there you have it, a minty, chocolatey, and brainy surprise in every bite. These are a must-have for Halloween or any spooky themed party. The full recipe and all the details are linked in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.